All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a pretty iconic, popular 1986 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe. Greatest cars, man, greatest sports cars. It's a 3.2 liter, flat six, air and oil cooled. I think they're a little over 200 horsepower. Doesn't sound like much, but these cars are great. They handle great, they're reliable, they hold a lot of oil. It's just air and oil cooled. Almost impossible to overheat one. It has an oil cooler also in the right front fender. This has the 915 5-speed gearbox. The next year they came out with a hydraulic clutch. They're cool and they're nice, but I kind of like the cable clutch. It's just, you can adjust it, you know when the clutch is starting to get worn. But this is a one owner, 48,000 mile car, California car since new. It's a US car that was delivered in Europe, so you could go ahead and order a new Porsche. When it was ready, you could fly to Germany. They hand you the keys, you get a temporary tag, you can drive around Germany, and then when you're done your vacation, you take it back to the manufacturer, and they ship it to the US for you. Really cool. And I have the documentation that from that as well. But super nice car. You don't find them with original paint anymore, not this old. It's a 1986. And with 48,000 miles, this thing's a baby. I mean, it's these go 300,000 miles kind of with ease. Just take care of them. Valve adjustments every 15,000 miles, change oil in them, and that's it. No water pumps, no radiators, no timing belts. They have timing chains, just like an industrial pump. All right, we're gonna go up here and I'll do a little walk around for you, take some more pictures. All right, we're gonna do a walk around here in a pretty special car. This is a one owner, 48,000 mile, 1986 Porsche Carrera Coupe. California car since new. Unfortunately, previous owner passed away. We got it from the family. Took European delivery, like I mentioned earlier. Went to Europe to pick it up. Got to drive it around. Ship it back to the US. It is a US car though. It's made for US. Matter of fact, made for California. It's got the California stickers on it where they're supposed to be, which is right here. It's got California emissions on it. It's got the 15-inch, 7 and 8-inch Fuchs alloys. They've been refinished, really nice. I had that done. Brand new tires. I got the good sticky ones too. They feel good when you're driving it. What a car though. Original paint. It's got a couple stone chips here and there, but that have been touched up. But it looks fantastic. So this car is probably 99% original as far as everything is concerned on the car. I'll show you the interior. Factory sunroof. Most of them had a sunroof. Probably had to order it without a sunroof actually. But it's got power seats, leather interior. The dash is beautiful, no cracks. Obviously this thing was stored indoors and cared for. There it is, 48,700 and change on it. It's got a fresh smog certificate, passed emissions with ease. The only upgrade probably is that radio. It's got a knob cassette radio. That tells you about age of the car. That was probably done in the late 80s. Got the fold-up rear seats in the back. Door panels are beautiful. You know, they come with power windows and power locks. AC actually works in this car. Usually they're not that great, but air works good on it. Incredible car. Factory front rear spoilers too. That's kind of rare. Here's the power plant in the 86 Carrera. Tried and true. 3.2 liter, flat six, air and oil cooled. There's your oil tank there on the right side. If you check the oil, that's where you put the oil. Air conditioning. This is your fan alternator combination. All the original stickers on this car. It's original tail. You can kind of tell with the Porsche emblem. They make aftermarket ones and that's not there. But all the original stickers back here. No accidents, no stories, all stock. I'll fire this one up for you. Here's all your gauges. It's all oil related. First one gas, of course, and you got oil level, oil temperature, oil pressure. Everything's about oil in these cars. You want to make sure that they're it's got enough oil in it. Tachometer in front of you instead of the speedometer. Who cares how fast you're going, just what the RPMs are. Clock even works. Like I said earlier, they're like an industrial pump. These cars will go well over 300,000 miles. You can drive them as hard as you want, as long as you take care of them. Last you a lifetime. And it's a good investment car. These cars are doing nothing but going up in value. So if you want to see a good one, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person. If you need some financing, we can help arrange that. If you've got good, strong credit, we can ship it, even out of the country. All right, thanks for watching. Give us a call, 818-591-1313.